Hey there, money warriors. Are you ready to crush your debt but stuck on which method to use? Let's break it down and find out if you're Team Snowball or Team Avalanche. Welcome back to Penny Smart Reminders. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of savvy savers. Today, we're diving into two popular debt payoff methods, the Snowball and the Avalanche. Spoiler alert, both can help you win, but they do it in very different ways. First up, let's talk about the Snowball method. Picture this. You start with your smallest debt first. You pay it off completely while making minimum payments on your other debts. Once that little guy is gone, you take the money you were using for that payment and roll it into the next smallest debt. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it goes. Why choose Snowball? Because it gives you quick wins. Paying off smaller debts can boost your motivation and make you feel like a financial superhero. Plus, who doesn't love the feeling of crossing something off their list? Now let's switch gears to the Avalanche method. This one's all about strategy. You focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the others. This method saves you the most money in the long run because you're tackling the debt that's costing you the most. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You're going for the peak first. It might take a little longer to see those quick wins, but trust me, your wallet will thank you later. Alright, let's break it down. If you're someone who thrives on motivation and needs those quick wins to keep going, the Snowball method might be your best friend. It's like a confidence booster shot for your finances. On the other hand, if you're more of a numbers person and want to save as much money as possible, the Avalanche method is your go-to. It's like being a financial ninja, slicing through high-interest debt like it's nothing. But hey, there's no one-size-fits-all here. You can even mix and match. Start with a couple of small debts to get that momentum going, then switch to the Avalanche method for the big hitters. It's your financial journey. Make it work for you. Now let's get real for a second. No matter which method you choose, the most important thing is to stay committed. Debt can feel like a heavy backpack filled with rocks, but with the right strategy, you can lighten that load. And remember, it's totally okay to have setbacks. Life happens. Just keep your eyes on the prize and, don't be too hard on yourself. You're on a journey and honestly, every step counts. So, which method are you leaning towards? Team Snowball or Team Avalanche? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Penny Smart Reminders for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, whether you're rolling with the snow or climbing the mountain, you've got this. Let's conquer that debt together. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take control of your finances, pick your method and start today. And don't forget to share your progress with us using #PennySmartReminders. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it fun.